Hi guys, it's Sharon and today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this makeup look. It's a really simple and easy pink Valentine's Day look and it's super like feminine and cute and girly. I do this all the time because it's just so easy and flattering. Like these pink colors are so like romantic. And I use blushes to create it, so if you're interested in this look, keep on watching. I'm gonna start off by doing this color all over my lid. I already used my MAC primer, which is like the best. Next I'm gonna use this MAC blush and this Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna start to warm up the crease. I've been on a roll like just making videos and it's so exciting because I feel productive and I love making videos and creating content. It's like fun, you know. Now I'm gonna go in with this MAC blush called Fever, and I'm just gonna create even put that under the other blush color and just create more definition. And then with a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend that so that there's no like patchiness or anything. I'm gonna go in with this darker color from Smashbox, and I'm just gonna focus it on the outer corner. I'm just gonna blend that out. The same brush I used earlier, and just focus it wherever I need it. I feel like I do this look all the time, but it's so cute. It's like my favorite. Now go in with this Smashbox Spotlight palette, and I'm just gonna pick this color up, and it's like super pigmented, so you don't need much. With this e.l.f. brush, like look at that. Can you see? It's so pretty. This color again, I'm just gonna go under. And with the MAC blush, I'm just gonna go in with this blending brush and just kind of blend some of it down here so it balances out a little better. And I think I'm actually not gonna do liner because I want to show more of the inner corner. Like this color, I don't want it to be covered, so I'm just gonna go in with my mascara. So I did my lashes off camera. I used Center of Attention, and for lipstick I did Tumultuous Pink and Intense Nude from Estée Lauder with Soar lip liner from MAC, and that is it for my makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really quick and easy because I've done it so much on myself, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!